Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
You are going to love the 2020 Highlander Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, regenerative braking system, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.